Welcome everyone, we are going to make traffic signal today using bamboo sticks and bottle caps. Paste all of them like this and dab it on this clay ball. It is a great way for your kids to learn. Here we are going to make a mini hat using bottle cap. So paste this bottle cap on the sheet of paper and cover it using jute like this, and look, your hat is ready. Now cut the sheet of paper, add more details like we are pasting this bow and a hair clip, and it is ready. We are going to make multiple cuts on these colorful straws and roll it. We are making colorful flowers like this. After this, we are going to again make a flower by this and dab all of them on this green clay together, and your flower pot is ready. We are going to make this trolley using bamboo stick. We are going to make the tire using bottle cap. Put bamboo sticks. Now we are going to make the frame and combine all of them together, and it is ready. Let's draw different faces on these ice cream sticks. So take colorful sketch pens and start coloring it. We are drawing the face, and look, it is ready. We are going to cut the tips of the earbud and make a beautiful flower. Paste all of them using hot glue gun. Now dab it on the top of the green clay, and look, your flower pot is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.